To turn off Talkback on the Realme C71, first of all you need to know how to navigate through your phone using the Talkback function with the Talkback function enabled. So first of all, as you press on any application or any button, if you'd like to open an app or execute any action, you will actually not be able to do anything because as you press once on anything, it gets selected and you get the Talkback function says what actually you are tapping on. So like this is the camera application, this is the back button and some other stuff. So first of all it is selecting, and if you want to actually perform any function or anything like this, you have to tap twice on this button or the function, as you can see. And now let's open the menu, press once to select, double tap to open it. And now if you want to swipe, you will not be able to swipe with one finger, you will have to do it with two fingers at once. So just like this, as you can see, and that's pretty simple how to navigate through this talkback function. So now to disable it, first you'll have to go for the settings. So first select it once and double tap to open this. From here you'll have to scroll all the way down, so use two fingers to scroll all the way down, and now you'll go for the accessibility and convenience. Tap once to select it and double tap to open. Now go for the accessibility, once again tap once to select it and double tap to open. And right here you can find the talkback function, so once again press once to select it, double tap to open, and here switch. To disable this talkback function, press once and double tap to disable it, and here's the button to turn it off. Press once and double tap to disable this switch. And now the talkback function is disabled, and now you can use your phone without this talkback function enabled.